the Toy Barns fans. My name is Kathy. You're here at Madcap Toys YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Happy Thursday. Just an update. We had our house check out from the Sunday's tornado. They said there's just a couple of little places on the roof, but nothing that would deem the insurance company to come out and say that it deserves to get work done, so it's okay. And then, of course, we got a couple of gutters that have had little pings, not something that we can't just get on the ends and get that covered. So no biggie. Still waiting on the cars to get looked at by our insurance adjusters, and hopefully we'll have some updated details on that. Other than that, if you like the video, wait till the end. Go ahead and like it. Comment. Again, we love your comments, and we don't delete them. And also hit the bell for all notifications, because each and every time we upload content, you'll be the first to know. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Madcap Toy family. We want you to be a part of us. All right, so as Daren had spoke, things have been roller coaster ride with the sales. Friday, it was fantastic. We had more than normal. Then it hit the bricks Saturday with just a few sales. Sunday, it started to ride back up a little bit. Not quite what Friday was. Then it was like this, and then here. Anyway, what I'm saying is it's been up, down, up, down. Today has been pretty dismal. Found out more that there are, of course, as we all know, if you're a reseller, more eBay server issues that have been going on. A lot of it's not you, it's us, eBay signs. I think one person had talked to customer support, and they said, did you delete your cache on your computer and things like that? But guys, as you guys know, deleting cookies and cache on your computer doesn't negate that that's the reason why you're not getting sales, right? It doesn't occur with a personal computer. It occurs with their website, with their servers and so forth. So I don't know what they're pulling there, but you're pulling something, eBay. Gotta stop that. So yeah, so we're just going to share with you the, no phantom sales today. We're going to show you 10 of them. 10 sales from Mercari and eBay combined. Mercari gave us 3. At this moment, eBay gave us 7. We also have 4 pending future orders in queue for the next video. So we're going to share some of these with you. Again, if you guys have any more details about what's happening on eBay, let us know in the comments below. Of course, we always love to hear from you. And we just want to stick together. And hopefully this won't happen starting the 3rd and 4th quarter, because this is our time, right? This is our time where things shine and we shine. So let's hope for the best. All right, let's begin. For Mercari, we have a 2000 Chatmay SWAT Police Officer action figure. And it's going out to Rita. Hi, Rita. For $3 plus shipping to boot. Thank you so much, Rita, for that. And we have a pallet buy. This one doesn't have a shoebox, because it didn't come with it when we got our pallet. They're like laying in the bottom of the pallet there. But this is from a Target pallet that we bought late last year. It's called A New Day. It's Target brand. Audrey Flats, size 6. Of course, it is mint with tag. And my hands are probably in the way for the tag, but you could probably, let me put this down for a minute. Tag's in there, so you can tell brand new. Just didn't come with a box. And these Audrey Flats, size 6, go out. Drop things here. Size 6 go out to Barb. Hi, Barb. For $16. Thank you so much for that. Really nice. I'm going to put them, I think they're going UPS. So with Mercari, they do that. But I'm going to make sure they are wrapped in bubble wrap, as well as putting them in a brown cardboard, shipping up to UPS and the AM. Thank you so much, Barb. And speaking of bubble wrap, we had just received in 48 hours our American Bubble Boy wrap. I was up in the office making phone calls, and I heard Daren go, wow, we got our Bubble Boy wrap. It is so huge. And so I haven't checked it out yet. Just been busy with doing stuff. So I just thought I'd head over to the Toy Barn to share with you guys this video on all that we have. But yeah, I do love the 48-hour turnaround time from order. Thank you, American Bubble Boy. And the fact that it looks like it's thicker, bigger, and more quality. So I'm excited to check that out personally. It cost a little bit more than what I had been buying, maybe a few dollars more, maybe about $6 or $7 more. But what I do like about it is the quality, because the last set of bubble wrap that I purchased on eBay with someone is that they say perforated, but when you go to tear, it just, like, half the time it doesn't tear where it should, and it creates a mess, and it also creates waste, where I'm hoping that this perforation for this will be good. I will let you guys know and an update if you don't already purchase from American Bubble Boy. All right, next one up, the last one that we got from Macari, and we got this in our G.I. Joe Leonard parts pile. You can see all the little bunch of weapons in there, different kinds, right? And this is the 1980 to 2000, so that's what the ranges of the years are of these weapons. G.I. Joe / Leonard Corpse weapons going out to Dwayne. Hi, Dwayne, for $6. So if you guys see these lots, we lot them out usually in these bags, put them in our totes ready for sale. But there's some weapons here that hopefully he'll be able to use those in some action figures displays, or if he has inventory and wants to soup them up to sell, there you go. Perfect way to do it at a really good price. Thank you so much, Dwayne. It's going out to you in the AM. Thank you so much. All right, and then we've got 7 sales, starting with from eBay. This is the 2000 Transformers Recon Barricade Decepticon. Really nice. And it is going out to Isaac. Hi, Isaac, for $25. So this is actually a 2007. Really beautiful shape. Card's in pretty decent shape. You can see a little bit of, just a little bit of cardboard wear here and there, but other than that, perfect. And of course, Isaac, is going out to you in the AM. Thank you. And it doesn't stop there, guys. We found this in our odds and ends totes. Hopefully you can see him through the bag a little bit. This is the 2016 Halo Yellow Spartan action figure. And it's going out to Anthony. Hi, Anthony, for $15.98. Really, really nice. We do have some Halo action figures that are loose as well as in box. All over the place here in our totes. So check it out in our listings, in our description under eBay, our eBay store, as well as Macari. So check them out. They're really nice. And then comics. We sold a comic. We have lots of boxes of comics here in the Toy Barn. This is the 2017 DC Comics #4 comic book. And it's going out to Thomas. Hi, Thomas, for $5.98. Really nice, from the Justice League Suicide Squad, going out to you in the AM. Thank you. And I love this. Y'all, have you ever, when you were little, have you ever had Pez? Did you collect Pez? Did you eat Pez? What kind of Pez dispensers did you collect or had as a child? Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from that. This one is Pez, Candy and Dispenser. Candy's still in there, right? Star Wars, Boba Fett, let's see, 2013. Candy's 10 years old. I would advise, if you're the one that bought it, don't eat it, right? 10 years old, but this is the Disney Star Wars Boba Fett Pez, going out to Jamie. Hi, Jamie. And it's going out for $9. $9, not too bad there. Really nice, and a great collectible piece there. Thank you so much. And then from a big Hasbro buy, we used to buy in bulk and from Hasbro directly. So we had received this for a while. This is a pretty different thing here. This is from the For Real Poop-A-Lot series, right? It is really cute. I have 2 other types of breed dogs left with the Poop-A-Lot series here. This is the For Real Poop-A-Lot's Pink Poodle. And it's going out to Delphin. Hi, Delphin, for $12. Really cute. I believe, of course, the kids can stretch the leash out, walk the dog along, and of course it poops, right? Here's the little food that you feed them and so forth. So Delvin's going out to you in the AM. Thank you. All right. And we love our Legos. This Lego set came from a pallet. When I saw that and opened the box, not this box, but the pallet box, I was like, yay! Can never have enough Legos. So this comes from the Lego Duplo series. And this is more of, like I would say, baby, okay, one and a half plus. So yeah, toddler babies. It's a Lego Duplo. My first bath time is going out to Heidi. Hi, Heidi, for $7.99. Really nice, unopened. Came from a pallet, going out to you in the AM. Thank you. And at the very end, our 10th sale here for today's video, we have the 1994, so can you imagine, it's almost 30 years old, this card. Hot Wheels Steel Stamp Series, 1956 Flash Cider, going out to Karen, hi Karen, for $5.99 plus shipping to boot. Thank you so much, Karen. So as you can see, guys, we had a few Macari, we had some eBay. Again, we have 4 future pending orders in the queue for the next video. Again, I hope things pick up. I felt the slowdown a little bit in the last 24 to 48 hours. And yeah, concerning, of course. And I hope that things pick up, because it's very vital that in the 3rd and 4th quarter, especially since, you know, we're going to be hopping into it in just a few days, that it starts to really work for our benefit. Again, we're doing everything we're doing. I explained it all in several videos. Relist, sell similar, sending out offers, playing with a promoted listing, opting in international shipping, doing everything we can do to kind of spruce things up. And, you know, buying items that are trending, but also buying items that we don't normally have a lot of. So doing that, also setting multi-quantity on things that we have in multi-quantity to see if it will stack up in the results, and going from that point. So we're doing what we can do. I talked with my son's wife that lives in Bloomington. She is setting up and getting ready for us to do a yard sale in a couple weeks. Should be July the 14th. I have the calendar, but not a real calendar in here. But I think it should be the 14th, 15th, and 16th. It should lay on Thursday, a Friday, and a Saturday. So I'm going to be taking a lot of some pallet items I've had for a while that are in multi-quantity, taking them out there. So a little bit of clothing that'll be case packed, shoes, just a lot of different things that I know that have been here a little bit. We're going to see if we can move out. We have a lot of sidewalk chalk. We have bubble solution, bouncing balls, you know, the list goes on and on and on. So we're going to see what we can do to get that so we can make room for all the new things. Excited. We still haven't opened our pallets. The 2 that we bought this last week in the clothing pallet, we barely even scratched the surface. Daren has been a godsend, been helping list. He helped me with a video today because I was busy, you know, doing my day job. So he covered us with a video on the Phantom orders, and helping me with listing, because there are some days like tonight. It is past 7 p.m. here Eastern time. I'm going to be busy packing up these 10 and getting ready for the AM for another day at the insurance job. So we're going to see what we can do to make things happen, list things more, and going from there, guys. I'm not going to keep you. Again, we appreciate you all. We love you. Take care. And until next time, bye-bye.